Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your home or business security in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be counting down the top 5 best security cameras of 2026, focusing on video quality, night vision, AI features, storage options, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. eufy Security eufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit. The eufyCam S3 Pro is a premium wireless outdoor security camera system designed for users who want high-end features with zero monthly fees. It features 4K resolution, solar-powered cameras, and advanced AI face recognition. What really stands out here is the Max Color Night Vision, which delivers clear, full-color footage even in low light, without relying heavily on spotlights. The built-in solar panels reduce maintenance, and the local expandable storage keeps your data private with no subscriptions required. Pros: stunning 4K video quality, solar-powered with long battery life, AI face recognition and smart alerts, no monthly fees, excellent color night vision. Cons: higher upfront price, best suited for users who want advanced features. If you want a premium wire-free security system with smart AI and zero subscription costs, the eufyCam S3 Pro is one of the best choices in 2026. Number 2. Swann AdvancedX Wired NVR 4K System. The Swann AdvancedX is a fully wired 4K security system with 8 PoE outdoor cameras, an 8-channel NVR, and 1 terabyte of built-in storage for 24/7 recording. This system is perfect for users who want non-stop recording and rock-solid reliability. The color night vision and AI-powered video analytics help reduce false alerts, while the wired setup ensures stable performance without Wi-Fi interference. Pros: true 24/7 continuous recording, reliable wired PoE connection, AI motion detection and alerts, large 1 terabyte HDD included, excellent night vision performance. Cons: wired installation can be complex, not ideal for renters. If you want maximum reliability and continuous recording, the Swann AdvancedX system is an excellent wired security solution. Number 3. SOLIOM 5MP Wireless Solar Camera 4Cam Kit. This SOLIOM 5MP wireless camera kit offers solar power, pan and tilt functionality, and 360-degree auto tracking, making it ideal for wide area coverage. The standout feature here is the 360-degree auto tracking, which follows movement automatically. It also supports both 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, ensuring better connectivity. The 3K color night vision delivers clear visuals day and night. Pros: solar-powered and wire-free, 360-degree pan and tilt with auto tracking, 3K color night vision, no subscription fees, dual-band Wi-Fi support. Cons: 5MP resolution isn't true 4K. App interface could be improved. This is a great option for users who want flexible coverage, solar power, and smart tracking without paying monthly fees. Number 4. Reolink 4K PoE Security System RLK 16800D8. This Reolink RLK 16800D8 is a professional-grade wired PoE security system featuring 8 ultra-clear 4K cameras, a 16-channel NVR, and a massive 4 terabyte HDD. Reolink is known for reliability, and this system delivers crystal-clear footage with smart person and vehicle detection. The H.265 compression ensures efficient storage while maintaining high video quality. Pros: sharp 8MP or 4K resolution, smart human and vehicle detection, huge 4 terabyte storage included, excellent for large properties, no subscription fees. Cons: wired installation required, less flexible than wireless systems. If you need maximum enterprise-level security for a large home or business, this Reolink system is one of the best wired solutions available. Number 5. SOLIOM 8MP Wireless Solar Camera 4Cam Kit. This SOLIOM 8MP Ultra HD system is a wireless, solar-powered system with built-in radar detection, 360-degree pan and tilt, and auto-tracking. The built-in radar sensor helps reduce false motion alerts, which is a big plus. The 8MP resolution delivers crisp video both day and night, and solar power keeps the cameras running with minimal maintenance. Pros: Ultra HD 8MP video quality, built-in radar for accurate detection, solar-powered and wireless, 360-degree pan and tilt with auto-tracking, no monthly subscription. Cons: performance depends on sunlight, requires stable Wi-Fi. This is an excellent choice for users who want high-resolution, smart tracking, and zero subscription costs in a wireless setup. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best security cameras of 2026. All the product links are in the description below if you want to check the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.